Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Having a small house with a garden can be a charming and manageable way to enjoy outdoor space. Here are some ideas and considerations for making the most of your small house with the garden. Optimize space. In a small garden, every inch counts. Plan the layout carefully to make the most of the available space. Consider using vertical gardening techniques like trellises, wall mounted planters, or hanging baskets to maximize growing area. Choose the right plants. Select plants that are well suited to your climate and the available sunlight. Compact or dwarf varieties of trees, shrubs, and flowers can thrive in small garden without overwhelming the space. Create zone. Divide your garden into functional zones. You can have a dining area with a small table and chairs, a cozy sitting area with benches or lawn chairs, and a space for gardening. Define these zones with paths and butters. Use containers. Containers gardening is ideal for small gardens, plant herbs, flowers, or even small vegetables in pots and planters. This allows you to move plants around for the best sun exposure and change the layout easily. Vertical gardening. Install trellises, wall-mounted planters, or shelves to grow plants vertically. Climbing plants like ivy or roses can add height and interest to your garden without taking up much ground space. Patio or deck. Consider adding a small patio or deck in adjacent to your house. This provides a space for outdoor dining, relaxing, and entertaining while preserve, preserving garden space. Low maintenance landscaping. If you prefer low maintenance gardening option for drought resistant plants and ground cover that requires less care, mulching can also help reduce the need for weeding. Furniture selection. Choose furniture that is appropriate scale to your garden. Compact bistro sets, foldable furniture, or built-in seating can save space and make your garden feel cozy. Lighting. Outdoor lighting can extend the use of your garden into the evening. Install string lights, solar powered path lights, or lanterns to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Water feature. A small garden can benefit from the simple water feature like a tabletop fountain or a small pond. The sound of the flowing water can add tranquility to your space. Color scheme. Choose a consistent color scheme for your garden plantings and decor to create a cohesive and visually appealing look. Regular maintenance. Keep your small garden well maintained. Regular pruning, weeding, and cleaning can help ensure it remains a pleasant and functional space. Having a small house with a garden offers the opportunity to create a cozy, intimate outdoor oasis. By maximizing your space and carefully planning your garden layout,